right, let's have some fun with case number 2.
Good luck, everybody.
Oh yes, thank you, Kenny. That was you, man. That was all you, Kenny.
There we go.
Lime and
I don't know.
salt.
Hey, do you want? We're gonna go right now.
Who drinks tequila with lime and salt?
Which side do you want, Herb?
Who ruins it like that?
One side. You want the side closest? Makes it easy. Let's get a lot of greens. The case we did late last night was awesome, by the way. 101 Pau Gasol, totally black patch. We got the 5 out of 5 totally green Kawhi Leonard. We got a totally green patch of Josh Smith. And I think we got another totally green. Right? We have 3 greens or something, or 2 greens. A lot of golds. It was colorful. Kobe Auto or Kobe Green.
Kemba Walker for the Bobcats out of 99. Kemba Walker for the Bobcats out of 99.
Andrew Bynum for the almost Lakers. For the Sixers. Close. Laker jersey, Laker picture. Sixer card.
He already came out, Adam. Ooh, Butch! Red Butch. Red Butch.
Oh, Butch for me too. Gold Butch.
Ah, you got gold?
Gold Butch.
Man. Mine's for the Knicks. Raymond Felton. 2-color Butch.
I'm not going to look at mine. I'm just going to show it to you already. It is this guy. Who's that?
Hito.
For the Magic. Hito Turkoglu. Wow, Magic having a break. Already got Anthony Hardaway gold. We got a Hito Turkoglu. Butch. PMG Butch. Nice.
Knicks is jkenn.
4 out of 10. 4 out of 10 on the
Magic
Turkoglu.
Drew Navy.
Wow. There's the Turkoglu blue card to go with it in the same pack. Congrats. You're welcome. I'm not going to say congrats. Say you're welcome.
Luis Scola for the Suns.
Bigger than the regular card. Oh, you got a redemption.
Stop moving, damn it.
Jeremy
Lamb.
Gold! Gold! The gold one.
Oh, we got gold. Oh,
Gold
geez.
Jeremy Lamb for the
Jeez.
Rockets. I got a blue auto of Kevin Murphy for the Jazz. Kevin Murphy blue for the Jazz.
We got LeBron for the Heat. LeBron for the Heat.
Numbered out of 49, blue, Chandler Parsons for the Rockets. Chandler Parsons blue for the Rockets. Just got a gold and a blue.
And a jersey and an auto. My autograph is DeAndre. Oh no, it's a dummy, huh? DeAndre Liggins for the Orlando Magic.
Marcus Morris for the Rockets. Jersey.
Is this a Butch? No, it's a dummy. Like me. Damn, I keep pulling this guy. Nikola Vucevic. This time he's in the Magic. I think he's in another team in the Prizm, huh?
Travis Leslie for the Clippers. No, he's on the Magic.
Is it?
I think he's on the Magic in both.
Oh.
Yeah.
Box 1 and 2.
Fast.
Yeah, this goes faster than Prizm.
Sure does go faster than Prizm.
How about a Nash auto? How about ooh, what's the auto? How about a Dwight Howard auto? Time for some green. Let's see. Do we have green? Do we have green? No. I've got white, and Tyson Chandler. One color jersey for the Knicks.
Mike Scott auto for the Hawks.
Michael Scott.
We got his auto in the Prizm already too.
Nope, jersey card again. Russell Westbrook. Russell Westbrook. For the Oklahoma City Thunder.
Got a Chris Paul jersey for the Clippers.
Oh, that's fat. really off that.
The dummies sometimes throw you off because the cards will be curved against the dummy. And it's like real fat. I always get this color right here, and I always dream and hope and pray that it's gonna be Anthony Davis. But you know who it normally is? 99.9%. Oh, actually 95% of the time. Some guy named Liz. I think it's Leslie. What's his name? Lance. His name's Lance. Is this Lance? What do you think it is?
Yeah, Isaiah Thomas Jr.
I think it's Lance. Card number 20. Who's card number 20? Ah, it's Lance, you son of a bitch. But it's a gold Lance.
Gold.
It's a gold Lance for the Hornets. I got a gold Lance. Number to 25. Damn, Lance. 11 of 25. Gold.
Butch. And my butch is blue. Blue's good. Blue's good. Blue butch.
Blue's to 25.
Oh, blue's to 25. So what's the gold? 10?
10 on the golds.
Who's that guy?
That's the Marshawn Brooks.
Marshawn Brooks, the guy that's not so good. Three-color butch. He's not so good anymore. Three-color butch.
No, he's good because Jamie likes him.
Oh, yeah. He's good because Jamie likes him. Jamie, you like this guy? Here's his card. Kind of close to his jersey number.
Mark Gasol for the Grizzlies. Mark Gasol for the Grizzlies jersey. This is an all-night affair, man. It's Friday night. We're going to be up late. When we're done with Dominion, we're going to break more stuff.
Ooh, Julian Stone for the Nuggets.
I've got a 1/1 black. I've got a totally black. 1/1. Totally black. One time. It's a base. It's a base. I got an auto. Let's do the auto behind it first. First, the auto is a Roy Hibbert for the Pacers, number to 49. Base is the best. Oh yeah, I know. I'm just letting you know what it is before we get closer to showing and the reveal.
Well, when you're red and white.
But before we do, I'm gonna do the next pack. What do you think?
Yeah. I was waiting for you to show it. Okay, I'll do my next pack too. My next patch is an autograph. Pack. Yeah, Alec Burks for the Utah Jazz.
Brook Lopez for the Nets. Brook Lopez jersey for the Nets. All right, somebody's getting a 1/1 totally black. Totally black, dude. Like totally black, man. Like you're like black, totally.
No way.
James Harden, sick. Boom, that's fucking sick.
Thunder.
Oh wow.
Sport card opener,
Jessica,
wow.
sick.
Very
Holy
nice.
cow. That's a big one right there.
Totally boner, he says.
Wow. Totally black, James Harden. Oh, Mikey. Oh.
That's huge.
Dang, F me.
Congratulations, Jesse.
Dang, lost in the mail. Sorry. Apologize in advance. Nice.
Refund.
Just kick her out of the room. Banner. Just banner from the room right now.
Oh, shit. Didn't work.
Yeah. Very nice. All right. Yeah.
Very nice. Congratulations, Jesse.
Very nice, Jesse. Yeah, we haven't hit it. We're still looking for green. Still looking for that guaranteed green. We got 2 gold autos, a gold patch, a totally black Juan of Juan.
Dude, what's up with pack?
Yeah, it's funny.
No. Didn't win. I got a jersey of DeMarcus Cousins for the Kings. DeMarcus Cousins for the Kings.
Got a redemption. And a Brandon Jennings jersey for the Bucks.
Ooh, I got for the Brooklyn Nets.
Green
PNG. Green PNG. Oh, look, jersey number 3 of 5 equals 8. 3 plus 5 equals 8.
Wow.
Sick. Jersey number 3 plus 5 equals 8. Sick. Who's got the Nets? Kid card.
Alright, here's the redemption. LaMarcus Aldridge, totally red.
Ooh.
For the Blazers. I think red's number to 25. I think red's to 25. LaMarcus Aldridge. Totally red, dude.
Man, I keep pulling this guy. Lavoy Allen out of 279 for the Sixers.
Bam, 65 out of 99 blue Shaq Diesel. Sick. Lakers.
You're a little behind, kid card. Just a little.
Oh, I gotta go PNG.
Chuck Person. Seriously? His name is Person?
Chuck Person.
Chuck Person. For the Minnesota Timberwolves. Totally blue out of 99.
We got an Elton Brand gold for the Dallas Mavericks. Gold Elton Brand.
Gold PMG.
Gold. And an autographed blue, number to 129 of Andrew Nicholson for the Magic.
Yeah.
Blue.
It's Person.
Magic.
Oh, wait, ahead of me.
I don't know.
Butch.
Got a bit. Damn, I pull this guy so many times. Of the veteran autos, I pull this guy the most. DeAndre Jordan for the Clippers.
No Putch, I lied.
DeAndre Jordan. Pull that card so often.
It was a false Putch warning. Tony Parker for the Spurs. False Putch warning.
Chris Bosh for the Heat jersey.
Gustavo Ayon out of 199. Big old grin.
Very excited.
And Steve Smith for the Hawks.
I've got a red pud. David West for the Pacers. 3 colors. David West.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, you better sit here and make sure your alarm works, sir. I think you gotta check and make sure your alarm's on, dude.
Oh, do I? Oh,
Yeah. Make sure your alarm's working.
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, here we go. You guys don't get it. My neighbor across the street, this guy just, man, it was so obsessive compulsive over his little chirp chirp on his truck all night, dude. Every freaking 15 minutes you just hear it randomly chirp chirp. So now Irving chirps back at him every time he does it.
Chirp, chirp, where you at?
Every time that he does it, every time I hear him do it, then Irving does it.
FT for the Hawks out of 99.
John Jenkins again. Oh, John Jenkins, JJ for the Hawks.
Green, green, green. Jared Sullinger.
Yes.
Blue out of 49. Jared Sullinger for the Celtics.
Nice.
Very nice for the Celtics.
Every time I see this color,
Brucdan.
every time that I see this color on the back of a pack,
Yes,
I hope that it is Anthony Davis.
every 15 minutes.
But 95% of the time, it's this guy named Lance Thomas, and we've already pulled the gold of. Lance Thomas is card number 20. Let's just see if it's card number 20. Please don't be card number 20. Don't be card number 20. Ah, you son of a... Lance Thomas for the Hornets. Lance Thomas. Been lanced again. Jeez.
Second Hibbert auto.
Sorry. One of these times, once in a while. I think we've only hit the Anthony Davis one time, or I've actually pulled it once.
Second Hibbert auto.
Oh, different kind.
Different kind.
Was the other one Hibbert? Yeah, I think so. Or Granger.
Oh, I heard Hibbert earlier. Bill Lambier for the Detroit Pistons. Jersey, totally red.
Got a totally red autograph for the Hornets of Eric Gordon. Eric Gordon for the Hornets, numbered out of 25.
Iconic.
Iconic.
For the Los Angeles Clippers, Trey Tompkins. Trey Tompkins.
Rajon Rondo blue jersey, numbered to 99. Celtics.
Sure. Yo, where you at?
Got a nice auto. Oh, I thought it was an auto. Never mind. Klay Tompkins base card.
Ray Allen, totally blue jersey.
Got a Kenneth Faried totally blue jersey for the Nuggets.
Oh, the picture not on the screen.
Irving's pack's not on the screen.
It's going that way. That's right.
Oh, yeah. How did it end up? Oh, because I'm bad. I'm sorry. I turned it to show if it was card number 20, and I never turned it back.
For the Lakers, Jamal Wilkes, 28 of 99, totally blue.
And a Jeff Teague for the Hawks. A couple of uneventful boxes right there, eh?
Yeah. No butches, no golds,
no patches, no
greens.
golds, no greens, no.
Ah.
I got Eric Gordon, I got Lanced again, and I got a John Jenkins, JJ.
Dummy cards.
And a Teague, Fareed, and Rondo. Oh,
Yeah.
that's the box I would get for
Wilkes,
myself at the shop.
Allen,
Right there.
Lambier, Trey Thompson, Roy Hibbert. Salinger.
Yeah, that was the best one out of the two boxes. Salinger.
At least one wizard hit in TC. You want me to hit a wizard? Show me Harry Potter. I'll hit a winner.
That's not funny. I got a gold base, gold PMG for the Orlando Magic, Jameer Nelson. Jameer Nelson gold.
Yeah, Festus Ezeli for me and the Warriors. Festus Ezeli for me and the Warriors.
Tyrus Thomas jersey for the Bobcats.
No punch. Your red Chandler Parsons for the Houston Rockets. Chandler Parsons.
JaVale McGee blue, 31 out of 99. Nuggets. Jersey.
Butch.
Come on, green patch, green patch, green patch, green patch, green patch, green patch.
Blue.
Nice. Just kidding.
It's a nice punch.
We got an Anus, autographed Anus. Very nice for the Jazz. Anus Cantor.
For the Hawks, three-color Butch of Steve Smith.
Nice looking patch on there.
Hey,
I got a punch.
I have 5-star baseball.
Oh, mine's blue too.
How you
For the Los Angeles Clippers, three-color patch of Jamal Crawford. Totally blue. From his Blazers uniform. 6 out of 25.
Oh, that's
Jamal
a nice
Crawford.
patch,
Yeah.
Clippers.
Clippers.
Tayshaun Prince for the Detroit Pistons. Looks like he's about to drive the ball to the hole.
Julian Stone. Red for the Nuggets.
Was it
Red
red?
auto. Smooth like Keith Stone.
Tyreek Evans, jersey for the Kings.
And the Celtics autograph, Chris Joseph.
Should have an autograph in here. Let's see. Red for the Raptors. Quincy AC.
Wow, last 2 boxes of the break. Can't believe it's over.
No green. One.
Yeah, we hit a green. We hit a green auto.
With
Darren Williams. You pulled the Darren Williams.
Oh
green
yeah, my bad.
that was a green.
That was a green. Oh, green babies as well.
I know. I want one that shows more green.
Yes, that's just a little.
Not little 2 little stripes of green. That's one thing. I think they should have shown some more color on those veterans, man.
Kobe.
More color in the background. The little green stripes don't cut it. The PMGs.
Hello, I love you. Won't you tell me your name? I love you.
Good luck, everybody.
Buena suerte. For the Grizzlies, Mark Gasol. One color jersey.
No green for me. Jason Richardson jersey for the 76ers.
Butch. Red Butch. For the Brooklyn Nets, Deron Williams.
Damn, Dan Williams doing hotness. I got another D. Williams, Derek Williams for the T-Wolves, short printed to 49 blue. Derek Williams auto. Nice. T-Wolves.
Good thing. There's your Darius Moore autograph that you asked for. There's your Darius Moore, mike-honcho. Ask and you shall receive.
Brandon Knight blue, number 77 out of 99 for the Pistons.
And hey, this is the guy you like.
Ooh, green best PMG Xavier. Yeah, Xavier Henry. Nice. Hornets.
For the Hornets out of 49, Xavier Henry.
We'll save the green for the last. So we did get a second green. It's a base. It's a base green.
Good.
Base green.
Base greens are good.
Yeah, that's what they like. They like the base green. Got a Jeff Teague private signings for the Hawks.
Michael Beasley.
You got a Steve Smith for the Hawks to go with the Potch that you got earlier.
I've never heard this name. I don't know what team it goes to. But totally red signatures. Channing Frye.
For the Suns.
Suns.
I think. Channing Frye's still on the Suns?
Oh, you killed my autographs, right? Morris, Henry, and Frye. Yes? Okay, Suns. You did your... Oh no, let me do my last break for the green.
My last auto is Orlando Johnson. Excuse me. Number to 199 red. Orlando Johnson.
My last jersey card is of CP3.
And a totally green.
Good luck, everyone.
First, there's a jersey card behind it. That's Jimmer Fredette for the Kings. Jimmer Fredette jersey. The last card of the break is not an auto. It's not a jersey. It's a totally green. This is why you join right here. What side is the... Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do it. Alright, here we go.
Magic Johnson. Oh.
Wow, Andrew Nicholson, Orlando Magic. The Magic crushed this break. Absolutely destroyed this break. Andrew Nicholson, very nice. Rookie, PMG green.
He's a rookie.
Yeah, that's a good one. He's one of the better. He's a good rookie, too. That's good. Orlando 5 out of 5. Totally green.
What's up, Daniel?
There you go. That is it. Awesome break. A lot of nice hits. Thanks everybody that joined. Congratulations, big winners. Look at that one. Show you that one more time. Pretty sick. Got some nice golds from the Prizm, etc., etc. Anyways, thanks for watching. On to the next one. Peace.